You try to open your PayPal account, but you found out that you cannot receive money from your country. You can only pay from your country. Well, in this video, we talk about how you can open an account, a PayPal account from countries like Papua New Guinea, Nigeria, and many other countries that do not allow PayPal receiving payments in PayPal. Let's dive right into it. You go to your screen of the computer and you'll write paypal.com/ now listen carefully, /LS. That's what you're going to put, /LS. And then you hit enter. As you hit enter, you'll go through straight to sign up, and please open a business account. You're going to open a business account and then click continue. You're gonna click continue, and then if they ask you to confirm or verify, you're gonna have to give the security code in to show that you're not a robot. And after you verify, you go straight into registering, filling in your details. First, you'll put your email down. After writing down your email, like whatever it may be, the account that you will be using to collect money from, receive money from, enter it down. After doing that, you have to come up with a password you're gonna use to access that account. Now, the characteristics that you should be entering is down there. Enter between 28 to 12 characters, an uppercase and lowercase letter, at least a symbol, a number or a symbol as well. And then once you finish, click continue so that you can further move to the next step. And next, you're going to give in your details. Now, listen carefully. We're telling PayPal that we are opening an account from Lesotho and we are citizens from another country. So take note carefully. We're going to go to the open another tab and type random Lesotho phone numbers. The phone number that we're going to be using should be a random one, a Lesotho random. They're not gonna request you to confirm it. So this is just to have a number that belongs to the country. So we'll just choose whatever random number come up on the screen. So choose any number of your liking. I'll go with this one. I'm just gonna go with the first one on the screen. Let's copy it, Command and C, or right click and copy. Let's go back again. And then we'll paste that in the number section. Now we'll write our name down. We'll fill in our details as well, and put your real name in, because that's the name that is attached to the email, and that's the name that you're gonna be receiving payments from later in the future. If you're doing business, online business, or whatever it may be, put in your business name as well. I'm gonna enter this, and then let's move on. The address that you'll be putting, you can just put the address of your own country. Now, they're not going to monitor it, but something that is real, so that you can be able to remember. Put your own country address, town, and state code in. I'm going to enter mine right now. And the postal code, and then you're gonna select the primary currency. Just leave it to US dollars, the one of the currency that is used worldwide. Click that you agree with the terms and condition, and then click continue. There you go. Now look what happens. Write your business name again. Describe the type of business that you do. I'm going to choose individual or sole proprietorship. For product or the kind of service that you offer, I'm going to put affiliate marketing. Sorry, it's not on the list, so I'm going to go with a random one. Just select anyone from the list there. I'm just gonna go with digital goods. Just leave the website optional there. It's just optional. You don't need to fill in. Now listen carefully. Now you're gonna enter in your birth date. Birth date. You're gonna put it in. Enter your birth date. Finish whatever date. That's the real birth date. That's on your legal document. You're gonna put it in. Now you're gonna, for the nationality, listen carefully. For the nationality, you're gonna select the country that you belong to. I am from Papua New Guinea, so I'm gonna click Papua New Guinea, and then I'm gonna enter in my document that I'm gonna submit to verify my account, my passport, and then I'm gonna put in my passport number. And then after you put your passport, click submit, and voila, there you have your PayPal account. Friends, you have your PayPal account. If you found value in this video, please click like. Please hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel. You officially have a PayPal account so that you can receive money from wherever you may be around the world. You do not need a VPN. You do not need any other kind of tricky formats. This is a simple way that you can apply and have a functioning PayPal account. I use that. I have another account as well. Now we're going to verify our account and add a card number to it as well. So now some few things to verify our account. If you go down to the notification, it says, sorry, we want to confirm that the information in your PayPal account is accurate. As we notice some suspicious activity on your account, to understand better, we need more information from you. You'll need to provide the requested information to regain full access of your, to regain full access. If you do not do that, you will not receive money as yet. We have to verify that. If they actually ask you to confirm that, let's go on. So we'll just click the notification. Again, we'll confirm our passport. Now you're going to send in the picture of your passport. I'm going to put my passport picture in, and then I'm going to click submit. So that, there you go. There, we're trying to confirm the account. That's why I told you to put your real name in and enter your correct details, because they're going to ask you to verify your account with a passport that shows your nationality. So you are living in Lesotho, but you are from whatever country that you are opening your account from. Now, look at what happened. Your information has been submitted, and actually, they're going to verify your account as well. So look what happened. They're saying we're reviewing your information and we'll give you a feedback after some time. So let's see. So from now, you're going to wait for PayPal to actually send you an email to confirm that your account has been approved. Those notification was given to show that there's still limitations. They want to confirm with a official document to show that you're actually a real person that has that identity. So after that, they're going to send you an email to confirm that your account has been opened. They're not going to do anything. They're going to approve your account. So let's go to our email account. You see, there was a limitation placed on my account, but when I submitted my ID, my passport, then they removed the limitation placed on my account. So I'm going to just click. And if you said I already got my account, that says your account has been restored. So that is the approval email from PayPal. For now, let's go back to our PayPal account. For now, we're just going to confirm, we're just going to attach our card to the PayPal account as well. So enter your card details, whatever it may be, and then put in the number and the date and the expiry date. The code as well, you're going to enter it, and your billing address. Just fill in everything that is on the information that is given to you there. Once you fill in that, you're going to click link the card. So we're trying to link the card with the PayPal account. And see what happened? It's approved. They're linking the card now. This is the notification that you're going to get from PayPal. Confirm that you can pay with the card as well. I'm going to click confirm and there, boom. And for your first sign up with PayPal, I think they're going to deduct like $1 or something like that just to start up your business account with them. And they want to send a message on your, you have to be connected with internet banking as well. So you check your bank statement and they're going to give you a code on your bank statement. Or if you do phone banking as well, then they're going to send the message to your phone as well, so you can receive the code, the description. In the description of the deduction, they're going to send you a code as well, and that code between PP and then a code that's given there, and then after that the letters code, the word code. So get it, get the code, so you can, if you're gonna need to go, if you'll need to go to the bank and come and confirm it, then you'll have to do that as well. But if you can get the message straight from your account, then you can enter it straight away. So for mine, I can receive my messages straight from my card, from my phone as well. So I'll enter the code, enter the 4-digit code. We charge $1.95 to your card to confirm the card. Enter the 4-digit code that appears on the card activity to charge the account. So you're going to get the code from the card. They're going to send you a code, and then you get the message code, send it back to them, and then voila, your Visa debit has been confirmed. Your Visa debit card has been confirmed. Click done. They already deducted from your account. Your account is up and running, and you officially have a legally running PayPal account. Now you can receive money or receive payments anywhere around the world with your PayPal account. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe so that you'll receive more. And by the way, in the upcoming video, I will show you how you can have an online account, because if you are actually doing business online, there are many organizations that are not going to pay you through PayPal. Many organizations are not going to use PayPal to send in their payments. You have to have an online account. Subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to show you guys in the next video how you can have an online account to receive money from, and from there send it into your country's bank account. Bye for now.